One key reason behind the Maasai dance is its integral role in various rituals and celebrations, from weddings and rites of passage to significant community gatherings. Dance serves as a powerful medium to express joy, unity, and the spirit of the occasion. The Maasai, a nomadic ethnic group in East Africa, are renowned for their distinctive costumes and traditions. At the heart of their cultural expression lies the captivating art of dance. Many travelers to Tanzania and Kenya visit a Maasai village and have the opportunity to take part in the adamu, the dance affectionately referred to as a jumping dance. It is an impressive dance not only for its energy but also for its deceptively simple appearance. Watch the Maasai do it. They make it look so easy. When it is your turn, you realize it is much harder than it looks. The adamu appears rudimentary in its movement but carries deeper meaning and reason. It is a sort of mating dance, a way for a young Maasai man who has just become a warrior to demonstrate his strength and attract a bride. Traditionally, the adamu takes place during the Unoto ceremony that marks the transition of Morani, junior warriors, becoming senior warriors. After the Morani lives up to 10 years together in an Eyamata warriors camp away from their own villages. During this time, they learn how to take care of their animals, protect their family, and carry the obligations of a Maasai warrior. The Unoto not only marks a change in warrior status, but also makes him eligible for marriage. The cycle that the young warriors gather in for adamu allows each warrior to demonstrate his strength and skills to attract a bride. They have continually practiced these moves since they were young, in a sort of life-hazing preparation for this moment. The Maasai dance is not just a rhythmic spectacle, it is a form of storytelling through movement. Each dance is a living narrative that communicates tales of the Maasai people's history, struggles, victories, and connection with the land. It is a vibrant and dynamic way of preserving their oral traditions. Dance is a potent tool for preserving and reinforcing cultural identity. The unique movement, colorful attire, and intricate beadwork worn during the dance all contribute to a sense of shared identity among the Maasai people. It fosters unity, solidarity, and a strong connection to their cultural roots. Beyond celebration and storytelling, the Maasai dance holds spiritual and social significance. It is often used in religious ceremonies and rituals, connecting the community with their spiritual beliefs. Additionally, dance serves as a means of social interactions, strengthening bonds within the community.